I got 3 hours of sleep. Wake up. This is the current state of my room right now. Wow, I don't think I've ever looked worse. Y'all want to see my closet right away? Let me show you. Hey guys, we're going to New York. We got stuck here. I'm currently in the Delta Lounge right now, and me and my mom are flying to New York today. I'm calling this my appetizer because I'm gonna get a meal on the flight because we treated ourselves to first class today. Ain't that right? Do you guys like the new microphone? I'm gonna give you a taste test because why not? Pork, cheese. It's cheese. Delta, please sponsor me. I'm actually your biggest fan and I'm loyal to you. Okay, I promise. We're gonna try this like spicy chickpea wrap, or maybe it's not spicy. I don't know. Damn, okay. I really hope this gives you like ASMR. It is December 10th and it is 11:17 a.m. We board at 11:25, I think. So low-key, we're cutting it close, but we're trying to get the most out of this. Okay, I'm on the plane now. I just got my meal. Let me show you what I got. I got these really yummy looking meatballs, a roll and some butter, along with this mystery looking dessert. Could be lemon. It could be like a passion fruit. It's probably lemon, but say hi, mommy.
Hi.
Have you tried it yet?
Yeah, it's really good, but I burned my tongue.
Delta, you outdo yourself every time. Literally a 10 out of 10. Okay, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna quickly try this dessert. That's incredible. Soft, airy, light. It's lemon, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna eat this now, and I will see you guys soon. Hey guys, welcome to our hotel room. We're currently staying at the Edition on 5th and Madison. If you come follow me a little bit, this is our room. Don't we love her? She's cute, she's adorable. This is our bed. Don't be mad at me, I'm about to jump on it. There isn't really that much to show, but here's the bathroom. Mirror, sink, toilet room, shower. Absolutely beautiful. You guys want to know what's even more beautiful? Come look at the view. Look at this, guys. A perfect view of the city. It's so cool to finally be here. I'm literally so excited to like have a full day tomorrow and experience New York. My mom and I are gonna go get a bite to eat now, and then we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night because we don't really feel like doing anything. But
And it's currently...
oh, it's currently 10:30. Yeah,
oh, it's 11.
It's 11. We lost track of time, guys. Let's go eat. Actually so pretty. Good morning, everybody. Happy day one of New York. We're ready, buddies. We're gonna go hit town, the city, New York. Look at how cute my mom looks, guys. She literally looks adorable. 3, 2, 1. Don't be fooled, guys. I have pink thermal long sleeve on and fleece line tights under my jeans. It literally apparently feels like it's 13 degrees outside. That's lovely. That's gonna be so fun, so great. This way. Wait. This way. We just got Liberty Bagels and we got a bacon, egg, and cheese, and then we got a bacon, egg, and cheese. We got a bacon, egg. We got a bacon, egg, and cheese on Asiago bagel, and then a bacon, scallion, cream cheese on everything bagel. Oh my.
Oh my god. At least it didn't touch the ground.
Out of 10?
Definitely a 10 out of 10.
Like a 9 because I want the bagel to be crispy, but it's so good. Good.
Okay, the everything bagel. Good choice. But it has to be crunchy like that.
That looks so good. How's the cream cheese to bagel ratio?
There's a little bit too much cream cheese.
I knew you were gonna say that.
I'll give this a 9. Oh my god.
Chill.
Top of the world. Don't worry, I'm not moving anywhere. Feel my hand.
I don't want to. just bought a whole nother camera. $1,000. I'm gonna go broke. But at least I have my coffee. Stop! You're literally kidding me right now. Guys. What is sticking out? How does one get a rat's nest out? Genuine question.
Ask your younger self.
Day one, I feel like was a success. Like I had a lot of fun. But we didn't get to do Central Park and I really wanted to walk around Central Park after we got our coffee in the morning. By the time we got our coffee and bagel, we were like, oh my gosh, we have to go to the Empire State Building for our tour, which was so fun. After that, we were starving and then my camera broke. Then it was dark and we're like, okay, no Central Park for us. But Gianna just got in, so she's on her way to the hotel right now and we finally get to meet. Oh my, ow. Dinner reservations at 8:45. Oh, 9:15. Oh, great. So actually the latest time ever. But that's like when the rich eat. We're gonna be classy and bougie. Overall, great first day. Guys, we got these sweet treats that oh no. Did one smush. Well, they were cute and precious and adorable. But these are the viral on TikTok fruit pastries. At least this one survived.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Like the real mango taste to it.
It's not super sugary either.
Yeah, not too sweet. It's us and our bakery goods. They're scraping with our bare hands. Wow, beautiful ass banana.
Definitely this one's better.
Well, they said it was dark chocolate, and if it was darker chocolate, it would be bomb. Because I'm such a banana fan.
Yeah.
This is not dark chocolate.
It's mousse. It's like milk chocolate mousse.
They lied to us. That one's
Yeah.
Matching vibes. We walked out of the room and we were like, wait, we are not matching vibes. And then we both changed to leather jacket. We're feeling good. We're going to SOHO today and we want to get those like $25 blowouts. So we'll see if we can get in and look baddie for dinner tonight. I'm feeling a little bit suffocated by this scarf, but we're also on our way to Ralph. I think I'm just feeling overstimulated because I need a coffee. I just got my latte from Ralph's. You already know it's another vanilla latte. I kind of wish I got a dirty chai, but the fun drinks are for later when we're in SOHO because there's so many coffee shops I want to try. So let's taste it. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Everything I wanted and more. I knew it was going to be good though. Let's be real. We wanted to try Leon's Bagels, which is another viral spot on TikTok. We walked 20 minutes to get there and there's a 45-minute wait and so many people. So we walked next door to Pop-Up Bagels. We get bagels from there. We got Pop-Up Bagels while we're waiting for our Leon's Bagels because we're so freaking hungry. It's 1 p.m. and we haven't eaten anything and we're literally starving. These look so good and there was no wait. We got Sky and cream cheese and they come in packs of 3, so we got sesame, salt, and everything. Right now we're trying the sesame. 3, 2, 1. That was pretty freaking good.
I've always been not wanting to get scallion cream cheese because the ones in the store are gross, but this is so good.
You know what's really good? Dill pickle cream cheese.
Give it a 9. How about you?
And I'm literally fresh, like out of the oven. Like we saw them pull them out of the oven. Well, I think what adds points is the fact that there's no wait. And right next door is Leon Bagels that we're waiting 30 minutes
30 minutes for our egg one, so we were so hungry.
So this is like just to tide us over. But we'll let you know our review of Leon's in a minute. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Will it be worth the wait is the question we are all asking. And unfortunately my mic died in this, so you cannot hear me. But just know that my mom and I got a bacon, egg, and cheese and it was so good. The bacon was so crispy. And Gianna got a raisin bagel with cream cheese. I highly recommend you go try this if you're in the area, but it also depends on the line and wait time.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I waited 40 minutes for that.
I'm literally dead. Leon's, you're worth it. But it's now pigeon food. Right now, and I finally like stirred it and actually tried it. I'm sorry, but I don't like it. Neither does my mom.
The onset sip, super acidic.
I'm not trying to be a hater, but this literally tastes like water. And I saw that on TikTok. Someone tasted it and was like, "This tastes like water." It deadass doesn't have any flavor to it. Sorry, Felinis, for rating you like a 2 out of 10. I don't think this is worth the hype at all. Sorry. Oh god. We're going to a different coffee place. I'm sorry. We were looking too forward to coffee to have a shit coffee. to day 3, the final day. Here's the outfit. I like literally pulled together out of my ass. We're not really doing much today. We're just going to the Vanderbilt. Summit One Vanderbilt. It's like a big tall tower. My mom's gonna be terrified. She's probably sweating thinking about it right now. I'm also wearing boots today, which really shows we ain't doing much because the Rockettes tonight are at 4. Also look, yesterday I got the cutest freaking bag from Longchamp. I'm gonna wear it today. I've been wanting a Longchamp bag for so long and it's adorable. Okay. I need lip gloss really bad. I don't feel like refilling that. Normally me, if I had the time, I would put on lip gloss and re-say everything I just said. These are my 2 favorite right now. This is the Tower 28 Ube Vanilla Lip Balm and then the Glossier. I don't know if this is like lipstick. It kind of goes on like satin and glossy, but it's in the color Crest. Didn't film it. And now we're out. So it is a practice shit show around here. Excuse me, 2 baddies coming through.
I wasn't expecting that.
Guys, it's snowing. Are we freaking kidding me right now? Of course it's snowing on the morning we're leaving. There are all of our bags all packed up. Hashtag emo, hashtag tear emoji, hashtag crying. We had such a good trip. And yeah, see you on the flip side, guys. Thanks for coming to New York with me. And I loved every second of it. I will be back. Love you guys.
Psych!
Good morning, New Yorkers. Good morning, New Yorker. I love New York. In case you can't read it on my shirt. We got stuck here and we're back with the vlog. It continues another day. My mom also has an I love New York shirt because this is dead ass all we have to our name right now. It's great. We did go to Target last night though, guys. I didn't record any of this because it was such a long day. 10 hours at the 11 hours at the airport. 5.5 hours on the plane, not going anywhere.
You consider the time for the Uber, we're closer to 12 hours at the airport.
We left at 8 a.m. 8 to 8. What the problem was is because it was so snowy, it got super icy. We had to defrost the plane. There was just so much chaos inside of the airport. Then they just told us we hit the 3-hour mark waiting to take off and that it was like for legal purposes or something that they had to like take us back and we had to deplane. So we were like, wait, can we just all take a vote to like not deplane and just like, can we take off? And then our flight got canceled and then we were like, what's gonna happen to our bags? Are we gonna get them or not? And they're like, oh no, your bags are just gonna go to your designated rebooked flight. So we rebooked our flight, not for today because we're scared of JFK today. We're actually flying out tomorrow, but we have no bags. Yeah, we have no luggage. That means have a shopping spree.
That was the hardest slap I've ever encountered.
Time to find an outfit that's better than this. Walked in a sweat set, plain outfit that had 12 stains on it, walked out in this, baby. We're currently walking to a bakery called Levain or Levon.
It's Levon.
Levon. Apparently they have the best chocolate chip cookie in New York. I'm excited to try it. Got a tin of cookies. There's 8 of them and it costed $67.
Did you say costed? Cost. Okay.
$67.
Oh my god, you did that.
Oh my word.
Oh my god, they're warm. They're really, really warm.
Wow. That's a good
like chocolate to cookie ratio. They're not doughy, they're fluffy. Now typically I like thinner cookies.
If you're a chocolate lover, there's definitely more chocolate than there is cookie, but it's like good ratio for me because I just like my chocolate.
That's good because it doesn't taste artificial. It's not like overwhelmingly peppermint. Oh, I like this one better.
I do too. This is like a 10. The chocolate chip is like an 8.5. Guys, that was so worth the hype. That was amazing. Okay, bye. We have about 5 seconds until we have to leave for dinner because we actually got caught up in the freaking biggest Macy's in the whole entire freaking US. I kid you not, I've never been in a store more confusing and overstimulating in my whole entire life. We booked a freaking restaurant that is like a Michelin star. We pushed back the time about 25 times. But guys, look, I somehow pulled it together. Look at this cute ass outfit I got. These jeans I bought at Macy's at the very last second. They're too big and also $238. So I'm hoping that somehow maybe I can return them. I literally tied them with my charger because I don't have a belt. And then I bought heels. It's gonna be cute, but I have to finish up my makeup. Well, our reservations are at 9:30. Like, dinners mean a lot to us. That's like what me and my mom live for when we go on vacation. And now that we like, are here an extra day, we're like, we have to go to a nice dinner. And we also found out while in Macy's that the JFK airport is still a shit show. So basically, we are staying another day. This is my third reapplication of makeup today. Of course, I'm not a setting spray.
This is like the worst.
Last day, best day. What's up with it?
Just watched this.
No, I didn't.
I'm just kidding.
I watched all 8 seasons in 3 weeks.